international students and job seekers in Finland. Are you struggling to find a job in Finland? Do you know the right way to search job in Finland? Are you aware of the most popular web portals to find a job, to search a job? Alright, don't worry. Today I will show you 12 popular job portals and how to apply in each portals. If you spend 1 hour every day and apply on these 12 popular job portals, I'm sure sooner or later you will find a job. So we talk about recent job postings in Finland. If you are looking for a job in the cleaning, restaurant, delivery and logistic jobs, so remember these all web portals, the criteria is already filtered to cleaning, restaurant, delivery and logistic jobs. What you need to do is you need to add your location and hit the search button. Today I will show you how you can do all these kind of things. Remember, if you spend 1 hour a day, I'm sure you will find a job within a month, but you have to do it regularly. Remember, regularly. Visit sawfinland.com, go to this post and then click on each and everything. Alright, it starts from the mall. Okay, mall, Barona, Easy, Dunitori, Laura, Stop Point. These 6 are public portals. Okay, here you find jobs from various companies like Compass, ESS. And from this 7 to 12, Compass, ESS, RTK, Sodexo and Posti, these are private. Like these here you will find jobs only from ESS, only from RTK. You won't get RTK jobs in ESS, but on those portals from 1 to 6 you get jobs from all over the companies. Okay, now let's start. Always start from mall. This is the Finnish official government job portal. Normally this covers each and every job posted in Finland. Let's see how to apply for the job. Click here. So it will redirect you to mall's web search engine. So the search criteria is already filtered. Don't touch on this. Remember, Sijainti always is the location. Just type your location, Helsinki, or let's go far, Kajaani. Alright, you can check whatever city you are, and this is the julkaistu is job published test. So let's see 24 hours. We don't see any jobs because there are very few jobs listed in the north of the Finland, but let's go with the 3 days. Always try 24 hours. If you don't see anything, then go for the 3 days. And now you see, you can see 5. Okay, just go through it. And let's say Tiskaya is dishwasher in Finnish. So go through the contents and always read the contents. Haime tiota pelkama tomia ja ripeitä tiskareita. Okay, if you read this one, you will also learn the Finnish language. So read through the contents and apply it. You can just click here and apply, or you can write an email to this person. So this personal email responds quite quick. So remember, it's if you don't know basic Finnish, you just click in here and translate to English or your own language. And you see, we are looking for a job without fear and quick dishwashers. Okay, alright, so let's get back to it. So the idea is just filter the Sijainti and publish this. Okay, now the mall. Now let's go to Barona, Easy. So these all are the same types of job portals. What you need to do is you just need to upload the Sijainti, your location, and these are already auto filtered, so you don't need to do anything but just update your location and apply. So everything Easy, Dunitori. Okay, let's go Dunitori. So you go it here, it gives you to the website. So what you just need to do is Sijainti and write your location where you are looking for, and then just click Etsy. You will see several job opportunities and apply on that. So remember sawfinland.com and the recent job postings in Finland, and try applying on these web portals. Remember, if you apply regularly on these web portals, spend 1 hour a day. You start 3 times a day, 10 a.m., 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. So during this time interval, you will cover all the recent job posting. If you do this for 4 weeks, I'm sure you will land a job. And remember to make hygiene pass, the hygiene pass, hygiene pass. You need it in all the sectors where food production is involved. So if you haven't done it, you can make hygiene pass for this logistic work. And if you need to make hygiene pass and everything, you can check the sawfinland.com. So here you have everything: hygiene pass, you can also start learning Finnish from here if you haven't learned Finnish language. So if you just complete module 1, 2, 3, I'm sure you will be able to communicate in Finnish. There are lots of students in Finland, so remember the competition is between you. So it depends like how active you are, how actively you develop your skills. That's the only way you will land into the job market quickly. Good luck with your job search, and remember to apply every day. Visit this link and try applying for the jobs from these 12 web portals every day. And if the video is helping you, please do write in the comments, do subscribe. This will help me create more posts about it. And if you need some information, please do write in the comments and I will try to figure it out. All right, until we see, thank you, bye bye.